How to track a turned off iPhone step-by-step guide. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can track your iPhone even if it's turned off. This tutorial is meant for tracking your own device if your iPhone is lost or stolen and explains how Apple's Find My features work to help you recover your phone. Section 1. What is Find My? Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly review what the Find My feature is. Apple's Find My app allows you to locate your devices on a map, play a sound, mark the device as lost, or even remotely erase your data. With iOS 15 and later, newer iPhones can even be located after being turned off thanks to a feature called Findable After Power Off. Section 2. Enabling the Find My network. Tracking a turned off iPhone is only possible if you have set up the Find My network beforehand. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Open Settings and tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. 2. Select Find My. 3. Make sure that Find My iPhone is enabled. Then scroll down and turn on the Find My network option. This allows your iPhone to be located even when offline or powered off. Once these settings are enabled, even if your iPhone is switched off, it will still send out a Bluetooth signal that can be picked up by other Apple devices, relaying its last known location to iCloud. Section 3. What happens when your iPhone is turned off? When your iPhone is powered off, you might think it's impossible to track. However, if you have enabled the Find My network, your device will show its last location and may even be located for a few hours after shutdown thanks to its Power Reserve feature. Open the Find My app or sign in to iCloud.com or find from another device. Even if your phone appears offline, you'll see the most recent location where it was detected. You can also put your phone in lost mode, which locks the device and displays a custom message with your contact information on the lock screen. Section 4. Now let's walk through the process step by step using the Find My app. I'm opening the app on my iPhone, iPad, Mac, and here is the list of my devices. As you can see, my iPhone is online and its location is being updated in real time. This means that the device is powered on and connected to the internet, making it easy to track its current whereabouts. Since my iPhone is online, you can view its exact location on the map without any delay. From here, you have several options. You can choose to play sound if you believe it's nearby, activate lost mode to lock the device and display your contact information, or even remotely erase the data if you are worried about security. Section 5. Important considerations and final tips. Remember, these features only work if Find My and the Find My network were enabled before your iPhone went offline. If these settings are not activated, then tracking a turned off phone won't be possible. It's a good idea to check your settings periodically to make sure you're protected. Also, always report a stolen device to local authorities rather than trying to retrieve it yourself. Your safety is the most important consideration. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to track your iPhone even when it's turned off. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other topics you would like me to cover.